Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you know that Nigerians are highly talented? Can you see this car? This is not constructed by the Japanese or the Chinese or the United States of America or the Germans. This car was actually manufactured, built by a Nigerian, and he goes by the name ACC Whizzy. Can you see what this guy is doing? This is a car constructed here in Nigeria. The guy is from Ezza in Ebonyi state. My God, when I saw this vehicle, I was like thinking that this vehicle is a Japanese vehicle. Looking at this vehicle, how complicated, how sophisticated this vehicle is, you are not going to believe that this car was actually built by a Nigerian. Can you see what this guy did here? Can you see the interior? Can you see what this guy did here? Why is it that this guy never trended? Because I went to his Instagram page, I went to his Facebook page, I went to his TikTok page. This guy was not trending, and he has done what so many Nigerians, millions of Nigerians have not done. I have never seen this type of vehicle. I have seen people constructing vehicles, constructing car, constructing so many things, but I have never come across this vehicle. Look at the interior of this vehicle. It will marvel you. How come that this guy never trended? My God. They say his name is ACC Whizzy from Ebonyi state. For those that are doubting maybe that this car was bought by this guy, or maybe he bought some parts of this vehicle and decided to assemble this vehicle. No, this guy constructed this vehicle. Look at the timing chain. He constructed this vehicle from scratch. Can you see? Can you see? He did the welding part of this vehicle. He did the joining parts of this vehicle. He did everything but the painting. You can see, he started this vehicle from nothing. I went back to his Instagram page to actually know who this guy was. I came to notice that he has constructed so many things in the past, including Okada, or what we call bike. He has even constructed a racing car, but nobody carried anything about this car or anything about this guy. He has been into the construction of this thing, not even now. I went back to his Instagram page. I noticed that he has been doing so many things since 2022. Can you see? He started this thing from the beginning and he ended it. I had his interview because according to him, he said so many companies were looking for him. But for now, he does not want to work for anybody. That money is not his problem for now. That what he actually needed for now is our support. He needed somebody that will support him so that he will go to the UK and study more. Then he will return back to Nigeria. Then he will begin to construct so many of these things that we are seeing. So, if you are interested in ACC Whizzy, according to him, he is from Ebonyi state, Ezza in Ebonyi state. He said he needed to go to the universities. He needed to go to United Kingdom, where he will study more, so that when he returns, he is going to perform better. You can see. Look at what somebody, an Igbo boy from Ezza in Ebonyi state did. And this boy was never trending. Because I went all through Facebook. I typed his name. I searched for this vehicle. I think I saw it from two different pages on Facebook. I went to Instagram. I saw it on one particular page. I went to TikTok. I saw it on one particular page. I went to those big social media. like Tunde Ednot, I went to Linda AKG, I went to so many pages to know or to see whether this guy is trending. He was never trending. These are the engine parts. He was the one that fixed everything together. He constructed this vehicle from the beginning to the end. Kai, why is it that ACC Whizzy never trended? Why do I came to know about ACC Whizzy just a few hours ago? I was bittered. I was pained when I came to realize that this guy was existing. I said, why is it that I never carried this news since I joined the YouTube page? Why? Can you see what this guy did? Can you see? For those that are doubting that maybe he went and assemble, or when he went and get the materials and put them together. No. He did the welding job. He did the painting job. He did the joining job. He brought a pipe. You saw the pipes. You saw the pan. You saw the engine. You saw everything. He was the one that designed everything from beginning to end. You saw the interior. He can even use his phone. The sound system in the vehicle is connected. He can use his phone to put on the sound system, and the vehicle is automatic. He can stay in his house and on the vehicle will come up. This was when the guy was painting this vehicle. Oh my God, why is it that I came to come across ACC Whizzy when he has almost finished the job? Oh my God, Nigerians are highly talented. We are highly talented in this country, only that we don't have people to harness. We don't have people to bring us out to limelight. Imagine somebody of this nature have been doing great things since 2022 or since 2019. This guy has been into construction of so many things, and nobody is talking about him. Nobody is assisting him except one. He said, I think I need my child or somebody. He called somebody that is assisting him and his girlfriend. The two of them, we are the only people supporting him. And today, look at the vehicle that this guy constructed. You hardly believe that this vehicle was constructed here in Nigeria. You hardly believe that. But you have seen the video. I decided to go deep, to go down, to start from the beginning where this guy started, to get those videos, those pictures, to join them together so that you are going to believe that Nigerians are highly talented. Imagine, without support of federal government, Ebonyi state government, and so on and so forth. Look at what this guy did. Imagine. Innocent need to come across this guy. Even if the guy don't want to work with Innocent, he needs support. People like Dave Umai, the Minister for Works, need to come and see what this guy is doing. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu needs to come and see what this guy is doing. The Vice President, Shetima, Peter Obi, needs to come and see what this guy is doing. Francis Wifuru, the present executive governor of Ebonyi State, need to come and see what this guy is doing. If you are from Ebonyi State, if you are from Ezza in Ebonyi State, if you are an Igbo person, if you are from Nigeria, you need to go and search for ACC Whizzy wheresoever this guy is. This guy needs our support, because somebody like this, seeing what he has done, what he has constructed, seeing his hard work, if we allow this guy to get support from the UK government or to get support from the outside world, from outside the shores of this country, they will not allow this guy to return. Bet me, they will never allow this guy to return. Just like that Edo boy that constructed an aircraft. Before he could say Jack, they came and picked him. I think 2 years ago or 3 years ago, they took him away from the shores of this country to go and study abroad. And along the line, they gave him work so that they will make sure that his legs never touch the shores of this country. This is why we need to protect our own. If you are from Ezza, if you are from Ezza, if you are from Ebonyi State, if you are from Ebonyi State, if you are Igbo, if you are a Nigerian, if you are a Nigerian listening to me this very moment, let us search for this guy and assist him. If he wants to study abroad, let we here in Nigeria support him so that he can study abroad. Let not allow this guy to get assistance from outside world, from outside the shores of this country, because they will never allow this guy to return. Seeing what he has done, seeing his handwork, can you imagine? Just look at what a Nigerian did. Can you see the finishing? Can you see the packaging? Just look at the finishing. Convertible. Look at the finishing. Very beautiful. Very nice. Very sophisticated. My God, I am short of words. This is awesome. This is amazing. This is unbelievable. Can you believe what you are seeing? Can you see what you can you? In fact, I am short of words. Look at the interior. Look at the interior. Can you see what a Nigerian did? And nobody is talking about this guy at this very moment. I went to his page. I almost shed tears that I never contributed to the dissemination of what this guy has done. Until this very moment, I was ashamed of myself. If this guy can be doing this since 2018, and he has been posting the pictures and the videos of what he have been doing since 2018, and I never came across it, it's a big shame on me. Oh my God. May God assist this guy so that he will get, he will do more. Can you see what a Nigerian did? Oh my God. Why is it that I came to know ACC Whizzy this very moment? Search for this guy. Search for him. He needs our assistance. We should not allow our own, a talented Igbo boy from Ezza in Ebonyi State, a Nigerian, to leave the shores of this country. We should not allow this to happen. This is our own. We must secure him. Look at how organized. Look at the finishing. Marvelous. Awesome. Amazing. I am short of words. Can you see what a boy from Ezza did? Oh my God. Search for this guy. Don't allow this guy to leave the shores of this country. No. According to him, 2 people have been supporting him. And if you listen to him, those 2 people were not Igbos. The both of them, the girlfriend and the man supporting him, are from the southwest, Yorubas. Where are his Igbo brothers? Where are his brothers from Ezza? Where are his brothers from Ebonyi State? Where is Dave Umahi? Where is Francis Nwifuru? Where is Mr. P2B? Where is Ohaneze? Where are you guys? What is happening? Your own, your very own, you left, and he have been getting support from others, not even from his brothers from Ebonyi State. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. According to somebody that is talking in this video, he said he is a man of war. Yes, he said he is a member of the man of war, that they knew when he started this. In fact, whether they knew or not, I have shown you guys the video, the pictures, when this guy started from scratch. I told you guys, I showed you guys the video. This is him. He is traveling from Lagos. This is 3rd Mainland Bridge. I think he's coming down to the east, because from the commentaries and from the information I got, it's like he has arrived Ebonyi State to showcase what he has done. He is soliciting for our support. So whatsoever you can do for this guy to make sure that he doesn't leave the shores of this country, do it. He needs our financial support. He needs everything that we can give him to strive, so that he can go to school, so that he can actualize his dream. This is what he needed. This is when he arrived his place, I think in Ebonyi State, and people were amazed. They never believed what they saw. Did you believe that in Nigeria constructed this vehicle single-handedly? Do you believe that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Why is it that I came to know ACC Whizzy today? Why? Look at the interior. Look at the interior, my God. This is awesome. I am short of words. I am short of words. I am short of words. Look at what this guy did. Oh my God. Oh my God. These are the rare rights. He did everything. He constructed everything from beginning to end. Oh my God. We need to search for this young man. Oh, they cannot come and steal this young man away from us. No, they cannot. Just like what they did to Chikobi, what they did to Philip Emeagwari. Up to today, Philip Emeagwari have ceased to return back to Nigeria. They took him away from Onitsha, from Anambra, from Igbo land, from Nigeria. They took him to the United States of America, and he has never returned. And he has been doing a lot of great things for them there. And look at another one has just came up, and we want to allow the UK, the Germans, the Chinese, the Japanese, we want to allow them to come and pick him, give him all the financial, all the educational support that he needed. He will never return back to Nigeria. So we need to do everything humanly possible. He is our own. If you are a Nigerian, if you are an Igbo person, Hausa, Yoruba, anywhere you are from, if you are from Ebonyi State, if you are from Enugu State, if you are from Imo State, if you are from Anambra State, if you are from Abia State, if you are from Ezza, if you are from Abakaliki, wheresoever you are from, or Hazara, this guy is one of us. He is a Nigerian. He needs our support. We should not allow the outside world to pick this guy away from us, just the way they took so many people away from us and we never saw them. They cannot take this one away from us. This one will not be like Philip Emeagwari, the great computer, the great. Oh my God, I'm short of words. I'm short of words. I am short of words. Oh, but we should not allow this guy to live. We should not allow him to live. Let me allow you guys to hear more from him.
Telling you, it's not like your normal headlight you have in your vehicle. It's a crazy headlight. If I on this light at night, like any car that is coming towards my angle with speed, whenever they see my headlight, they always slow down. You understand? I know that it's very dangerous, but you know, at this point in time where I'm trying to create awareness to the world, I just need, if I can get a sponsor to get myself into the UK. I have a school in mind over there that when I get to this school, that's the reason why a lot of people, I've been having a lot of investors who come, like they want to get interested into this. But the truth of the matter is that I am not interested in making money right now. I am interested in adding more value to my life, because there have been a lot of existing companies in Nigeria, and if I really want to stand, most of them are businessmen. You understand? And if I really want to come and work based on what these people have been doing, I have to make a difference. The gap must be much. The gap for me being an engineer must be much. You understand? So that's the reason why right now I'm not really interested in making money, but I'm much interested in adding more value to my life. You understand? So if I get to that UK now to study, maybe 2-3 years I'm done, and I'll get some knowledge, and I'll meet with some of crazy engineer. Then I'll come back to Nigeria and I will establish myself. You understand? So that's the plan, guys. That's the plan. Thank you very much, everyone. I love you all, guys. I love you all. Thank you. So I'll be taking it. You can see the wiring system is very scattered, although I'm still working on trying to put it in a perfect way. So the inner part, the interior, everything, I'm still working on everything. You understand? So I just have a lot of work. It's just that I'm the only one doing everything by myself. So that's the reason why the job takes so long. And that's the reason why I don't normally post the way I'm meant to post. Okay, I always like to come up with a lot of improvement if I can make any post. So that's the kind of person I am. Okay, guys, thank you very much all. I really love you all. And I'll promise you that, guys, I will never fail you guys. Thank you. And all thanks to Mr. Ayo Animation. He has been a man who has brought me to any level I got in this life. He is that man that have actually took me to that level. And so also to my girlfriend, Tola Ojomo. I'm very grateful, guys. Thank you very much all. I love you guys all. I love you guys. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Made by my guy.
Made by your boy. Made by your boy.
Made by my guy. No, my guy. A member of Man who worry about the command. Starter. Automatic starts. You can see auto starts without the driver inside. Made by Emmanuel personnel. Emmanuel Nigeria personnel. Yabate command. This is wonderful. This is nice. This is nice. Pro Force, innocent. You have seen Prospect. Is Andrew at ACC_Whizzy. That's for TikTok. Telegram is at a.c.c Whizzy. Facebook at Gravitational Whizzy. YouTube at a.c.c Whizzy. This is nice. Can you see? Can you see? This is nice. This is nice. He's going places. The sky is not just his limit.
So guys, it's your boy ACC Whizzy. This is my Gravity Blackbird. This is a vehicle I've been working on for a very long time, you know. This vehicle, for those of you that knows me very well, I built this vehicle from scratch, you know. I built it from the very scratch. So it has been a very crazy process, you know. But with the help of the Almighty God and my two sponsors, Ayo Animation and my girlfriend who have always been there for me, I was able to put this job to this level. And you know, during the process, although it was not an easy process, you know, but you know, I have a lot of people that always kiss me going. I have a lot of my fans that they are always there for me, you know. They keep encouraging me by all means. You know, that was the reason why this job that I see now. I did not make it alone. I did it by the special grace of the Almighty God, and also by my fans, by the special grace of my fans who has always been there for me. You know, I was able to put this job to this level today. So I'm going to go ahead to show you some little features of the vehicle. So this is the key. So although I'm going to be turning it up on with remote. So this is the remote now. So I'm going to go inside of the vehicle. So I'll be going inside of the vehicle. I have to open the door. So it's that one. guys, let's go closer to the vehicle so that I will show you guys some features that I have on this vehicle that are very, very crazy. Sorry, I don't have anybody doing the video for me. So this is the inner part of the vehicle, right? This is the inner part of the vehicle. So the sun is too much for now. You can't really see it very well. So let me drive the car from this angle for you guys to see. So remember, if I whenever I put on whenever I put the car on reverse, you will notice that that light and the reverse light over there will be showing. So let's give it a try and see what we're gonna have, guys. show you guys the interior part of the vehicle. It's crazy. It's crazy. So you can see the name at the back, which is Gravity Blackbird. You can see it over there. It's a crazy invention, like very, very crazy, guys. So coming to this part of it, so you will notice that whenever I put the car on a bus, okay, if I put it on the bus, it's going to move, but you're going to be seeing my back from that angle over there. So let's put it on the bus now. Although I will try as much as possible not to accelerate. You can see now it's on reverse now. Although it's going back right now. It's going back. You can see. That's not going back. So that is the back of my gate that is actually showing now. The camera is actually showing the back of my gate. So if I want to close this vehicle now, if I want to close the door, sorry, you have to bear with me. I don't have anybody who is actually who will be holding the camera for me. So if I want to close this door now, this is what I will do. This is the master switch for this switch is to work. You understand? Because there's a principle that we are meant to make use of panel, but because we don't have I don't have engineers that can design the kind of panel that I need for this job. So this is what I will do now. If I want to close that driver door side, I have to off this one. If I off this one, no, I have to on this one, and other ones will be off. You can see that other ones are actually in zero. Only this one is on. Then that is when I can press this door, this switch here now, for it to close the door automatic. So I'm pushing it inside. You can see the door is closing. The door is closing. So it has closed. So if I want to see open it, I have to drag this button outside. So let's go. You can see that it's crazy. It's about to actually open, and this car actually have a mad woofer on it.